Hello, guys. So, this is going to be about people who are constantly watching tarot card readings. Again, a disclaimer that I've got nothing against tarot card readers. I met a lot of them. They are doing great job. Okay, it is a pure work of energy. But where does it go wrong when you are especially manifesting somebody? Okay, so when you are manifesting somebody or something or your desires in your life, the basic funda of manifestation is that you already are that person who you want to be. You don't manifest what you want, you manifest what you are, which means what you believe to be true about yourself. That is what you're going to see in your life. So if you know that you are already in reunion of this person, that you are in a very safe and secure relationship with this person, okay, or you are already rich, you have a safe and secure lavish career that you want, or you are healthy, that's what you're going to see. But what happens when you see a tarot card reading, okay, and they are predicting your future, you are directly giving this right, this power to somebody else to predict the future for yourself. And the whole point of manifestation is to create your own destiny, to create your own future. Remember, the best way to predict your future is to create it, and that's what you are doing as a manifestor. Okay, so what happens? Have you ever noticed all of these tarot card readings? They have a beautiful clickbait titles. The reunion is going to happen. Here is the reunion. This is what he's thinking. Is he really missing you? Let's find out. And what you are doing now after clicking that and listening to it, oh, he is missing me. Okay, he's just dealing with some problem or whatever that tarot card reader is predicting about your relationship. And that too, guys, you don't realize it's a generic reading. Why does it match with you? Because just use a common sense that anybody who is dealing with a relationship problem, how many issues can that person has? Very common issue is that you're missing that person. Very common issue is that you're waiting for your reunion. Very common issue is that you are separated and you're feeling anxiety. And obviously that is what they just pick up for you. Now again, I am saying that it's not that they are not doing a great job. But when you are manifesting, why to give this power to somebody? I did it. You know what used to happen? The point is that used to feel really anxious in my body when I was affirming, when I was in separation once, okay? And whenever I used to see such clickbaits, I would feel like clicking them. There is this temptation to click it, and they will say something in that video, in that reading, and I will feel so relaxed that anxiety will just go away for that time duration. You know why? Because I'm getting this hope from somebody else that, okay, this is going to be fine. And yes, he's missing me. And yes, we are going to be reunited. But I did not realize that this belief should be so solid within me that I don't need anybody else. And that is when, whenever I used to call him, I was so dependent on his behavior, his gestures, or I was just remembering the tarot card readings that, okay, that reader just predicted everything about me. All the consequences were matching, all the situations were matching. And the reader said that I will be reunited with him in maybe this month or that month, whatever it is. And then it didn't happen, and I used to be disappointed. Okay? And months will go just like that. And nothing will happen, believe me. So please, in my opinion, I have wasted a lot of time before I realized that it was not worth it. I just generally call my person and it was all okay. Just a normal chit chat, and that's what you need to do. Please get real. Now, whether or not you should contact, no contact, we are going to talk about it in a different video. But as far as tarot card reading is concerned, my humble advice is that if you are manifesting, please stop watching it. You're just wasting your time, nothing else.